recording, no teaching is useful. Okay, good morning. I say to say good morning. No, I can still say good morning or good afternoon. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
That means you have done your homework.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The voice of good morning seems to be that you have done your homework. Right? Right or wrong? No, you have not done your homework. No.
Done.
The voice is
Done,
getting
but
low.
half.
Huh? Voice is vanishing out. The voice is vanishing out, right?
Yes.
Have you done or not?
I'm done.
I'm done, but half of the homework, not full.
Not full. Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am. Done.
That you have time. This whole week is your time to
I'm
complete.
done.
मैम हाफ
I'm done. टू का आखिरी क्वेश्चन बचा है.
No problem. Okay, can tell me anyone was facing any problem in doing the questions? Because one minute. Because based on the concept of 8.1 and 8.2 is the last exercise. Based on the concept of 8.1 and 8.2 means 8.1 is teaching you how to create a statement, expression, and 8.2 is teaching you how to solve an equation. Understood? 8.1 was teaching you how to create an equation and 8.2 was teaching you how to solve an equation, and the combination of these two exercises is 8.3. That is, you have to do word problems. A good news is for you that only the first 10 questions are in your course. First 10 type of questions. Not only the first 10 questions are in your syllabus. Means in this type of, means the questions based on number system. The questions simply based on number system. Simply based on number system is now for time now is in your course. अभी के लिए for half yearly question 1 to 10 which are totally based on numbers is in your course. Expression creation is in your course, but solving will be not there. Solving will be in the form of simplification only. Okay. So now before starting the class, if you had any problem, please ask. If you had any problem in solving any of the question, please ask. I am here. Then only I can start the next. Yes, please. No problem. Should I begin 8.3? Please respond me. I am not talking to a dumb class. Or you cannot hear me. Please tell me. Either you cannot hear me or I am talking to a deaf class.
No, ma'am. We can hear, ma'am. You can start 8.3.
Okay. Okay.
I have a problem.
Ma'am, Asham have problem.
Asham, you want to ask anything? Yes, Asham. What do you want to ask? Ma'am.
Ma'am 8.2 question number 2 का ma'am A.
2 का A. Okay. 8.2 2 का A. Who will do for him? Who will tell me? 8.2 A. Karthik, you are taking homework. Can you tell how to solve 8.2 A? What we have to do? Who will tell me? Ahana? Ira?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have to use the transitional method.
You have to use transposition method. We don't have to use any other method. That's fine. We have to use transposition method. We don't have to use any other method. Nandini, the name is Nandini. Who has joined? Who has joined with the name of Nandini? I cannot see one. Okay, Krishna. Krishna, if you do not want to Azam, Azam तुम्हें भी सुनना है तो प्लीज स्विच ऑफ द स्पीकर. पहले सुन लो फिर बोलना. Iram, who is solving for him?
Yes.
Iram, now solve. Come and solve. Okay. Come on. Jasra, you were answering. Where you vanished?
Ma'am, solving.
You have not solved?
Ma'am Akshat,
Akshat,
I will
come.
tell.
Okay, Akshat, come and tell me.
Ma'am, X will in the LHS and 5 will go to RHS. It will turn into plus 5 and added to 0. X equals to 5.
2A. He's talking about 2A. 2A, not 1A. He's talking about 2A.
Okay, ma'am.
Asham, 2A, na? Am I correct with the question number? Asham? Asham, has he vanished out?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, the
Question number
answer
2
is
only.
See,
ma'am,
take
6.
minus 4x and 4x to one side and 23 and 25 to one side. So on taking minus, see, on the LHS side, if we take minus 4x is already there, take the plus 4x to the LHS side, it will become minus 4x, and take minus 25 to is on the RHS side, take 23 to the LHS side. So it will be wait, I'm showing you how to do. Can you see the word file? Can you see the word file? ये word पे दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
एग्जैक्ट उस फॉर्म में तो लिख नहीं सकते, लेकिन नियर अबाउट उस फॉर्म में लिखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? एग्जैक्ट तुरंत उस फॉर्म में लिखा नहीं जा सकता जैसा आपकी बुक में दिया है, लेकिन नियर अबाउट में लिखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सी 23 minus 4x is given. 4x is equal to minus 25 plus 4x is given. Am I right? So what we will do, we will keep the minus 4x this side and take this plus 4x to the RHS side, LHS side. What will happen? The plus 4x will change to minus 4x. Put an equal to type. Minus 25 is as it is. Take the 23 from the LHS side and take it to the RHS side. What happens? It will be minus 23. Can anyone solve? Can anyone solve for me?
6.
4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Right, ma'am.
So it will be minus
Ma'am, the
8x.
answer 6.
I don't know. And minus 25 and minus 23 will solve to how much? When you solve minus 25 and minus 23, how much you will get?
Minus 48.
Minus 48.
Minus 48.
Minus 48. So multiply the LHS. Now x multiply the LHS and RHS with minus 1. Because LHS is also negative, RHS is also negative. So we cannot get a coefficient, a variable in negative form. So if we multiply the RHS and LHS both with minus sign, minus 1, we are left with 8x equals to 48 or not? Can you see? We are left with 8x equals to 48 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the value of x?
Yes, ma'am.
X will
Ma'am, value of x equals to 6.
be understood.
Ma'am, 6.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Asham,
Yes, ma'am.
Asham, is it clear? Asham, is it clear? Yes, Asham. पूछ के गायब हो जाता है. Was it clear? Any other question? Any other question? Okay, then I am beginning with the today's topic. word problems. I have done the first question for you. The rest will be you will be telling and I will be solving. The rest will be you will be telling me and I will be solving for you. Can you see the slides now? Can you see the slides? Class, can you see the slides? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The question is given 35 added to a number gives 217. Find the number. What will be the first step? What will be the first step in word problems? Come on. Answer.
Ma'am,
I just
ma'am,
first one thing check. Is any variable is defined? Is
ma'am,
any variable
X.
is any variable defined here? कोई
No,
variable
ma'am.
नहीं है ना? So what we will do? First step is to define a variable. Let the number be x. Then we will write according to the condition, because this is the statement is in the form of condition. It is giving a condition, so according to the condition. Can you tell me what will be the condition? What will be the equation now?
Ma'am, 35 added to X equals to 217.
So how we will read it in the algebraic form?
X is equals to 217.
Ma'am, 35X plus 217.
Added is Akshar. We are talking about added. 35 plus x equals to 217. Understood the mistake? See, since LHS and RHS is given together, we will not write equal to. We will write here implies that. What we will write here?
Implies that.
Generally, we put a equal to sign, but here we will put, because since the LHS and RHS are moving together, we are not individually separating LHS or individually separating RHS. So we are solving LHS and moving with LHS and RHS together. So there will be implies that sign. So x equal to 270 minus 5 implies that x is equal to 182. Any confusion?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice not coming. Then how I have heard you?
My voice is coming.
My
Ma'am,
voice
it's cracking, ma'am. It's cracking.
cracking because many speakers are open. Many speakers are open. Have you understood what I have told you just now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm showing you again. Clear? Can you try the next question for me? Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
7 added to twice a number gives 59. Find the number. What will be the first statement?
Ma'am, let
Ma'am, let the
Ma'am,
number be
let the
X.
number equals to X.
Ma'am, let the number be X.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, according to the condition.
cross which of the speakers are not interested in studying. And if they are interested in studying, please request your family members to be aside. And if you are in a mood to answer me, please first remove the disturbance from your side of speakers so that my voice is clear. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what will be the next statement? What is the next
According to
statement?
the condition.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
according to the
To the condition. Then what was the condition? So what will be the statement according algebraic statement for the condition?
Ma'am, 7 plus
7 plus
x
x.
equals
7 plus x square is equals to 59. Ma'am, x is Ma'am, 2x. Ma'am, 7 plus 2x.
Y square.
Ma'am, 7 plus 2x equals to 59.
Anyone is saying square? Y square. Square कैसे आएगा?
Ma'am, 2x.
ma'am not square ma'am 2x ma'am not square 2x
And 2x.
Five. That's why.
Ma'am, 2
Y
and then 7 plus
क्या
2x.
होता? Y का मतलब is twice meaning square. Is twice meaning square.
no ma'am
Twice means
No, ma'am.
time.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So what will be the statement?
ma'am 7 plus 2x equals
Okay, am I right or wrong? Tell me. Am I right or wrong? Please tell me.
ma'am correct
So, the implies that you will solve it. You will be solving it. So we get 2x equals to 52 and x is equal to implies that x is equal to 26. Understood? Understood?
yes ma'am
Yes or no?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, read the next question. If 3 is subtracted from 5 times a number, the result is 42. Find the number. If 3 is subtracted from 5 times a number, the result is 42. Find the number. Who will solve it for me?
ma'am Akshat
Solve it.
How?
How? The question is in your book. Should I read the question again or you will be reading from the book?
ma'am
Okay.
reading from the book ma'am reading from the book
If 3 is subtracted from 5 times a number, the result is 42. Find the number.
Ma'am, let the number be x.
Okay. Let the number.
Ma'am, let the number be x.
According to the
let the number be x according to the condition
अपनी मम्मी से कहो या फिर अपना स्पीकर बंद करके करो. Let the number be x. Then according to the condition, then what will be the statement condition?
ma'am
Ma'am,
5
3 minus 5x is equals to 42.
Is Hamad right?
No, ma'am.
no ma'am
Then what it will do?
no ma'am
Then what will be the correct statement?
Ma'am, 5.
5x
Ma'am, 5x
minus
5 times
3
x minus 3.
42
5x minus
Ma'am,
3.
5 times x is minus 3 is equals to 40.
Ma'am, 5x minus 3.
Am I right in solving the expression or wrong? Please tell me.
Ma'am, right.
Let the number x according
yes
to the
ma'am I'm
condition
right
minus 3 is equal to implies that 5x equals to 42 plus 3 implies that 5x equals to 45 implies that x is equal to 9. Okay, try one more question. Find the number which when multiplied by 5 by 6 give the product as 60. Find the number which when multiplied by 5 by 6 gives the product as 60. Have you received the question? Daniel, which of them if you don't want to answer anything? If you are asking something or if you want to answer, then only switch on the speaker. Should I repeat the question or you have found it? Should I repeat it? Found it. Okay. So who is going to solve for me first? Let's see who solves first. I don't want the answer, you know. I want the expression first and then the answer. The first thing in this
Then 5 by 6x is equals मतलब
Ma'am, let the number be x.
Karthik, Anna, wait. Let me finish it off first. In algebraic equations, especially in simple equation, if your answer is correct but your statement is wrong, means the expression which you have created is wrong, then you will get a 0. We will be not be seeing the answer. आंसर नहीं देखे जाएंगे. सबसे पहले आपका इक्वेशन देखा जाएगा कि आपकी इक्वेशन सही बनाई है या नहीं. अगर आपने इक्वेशन सही बनाई है तभी हम आंसर के चेहरा आंसर को देखेंगे, नहीं तो आंसर नहीं देखा जाएगा. तो वो जो बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं आंसर तो सही है, मार्क्स क्यों नहीं मिले, तो इसका जवाब आपको मैं अभी दे रही हूँ. इस रिकॉर्डिंग को आप 10 बार चला के सुन भी सकते हैं. हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ, नॉट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, दैट्स व्हाई. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ यू कैन स्पीक. Okay, Anna and Karthik, anyone whosoever wants to Karthik, what is blood? I will come to a Karthik, I cannot hear you. If you want to speak, please come to a place where you can speak clearly. Or let Anna speak. Because I cannot hear you, the voice is cutting. Karthik, okay. Whose name I will call, that person only speak. Karthik. Your speaker is not working properly. So Anna, do you want to answer? Anna, do you want to answer? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer then.
Ma'am, let the number be x.
Okay.
Ma'am, then the equation will be 5 by 6. 5 by 6 x equal to 60.
And what will be the result?
X equal to 5 by 6 divided by 60, and ma'am the result will be.
Here you got wrong. यहाँ गलती हो गई. So what's the mistake? See from the slide. See, 5 by 6 x equals to 60. X will be, when you take the x denominator 6 will become numerator and numerator 5 will become numerator, because division to the RHS side becomes multiplication and multiplication goes to RHS, then becomes division. So the number will become x equals to 60, 6 by 5. 60 multiplied by 6 by 5. Then x is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 12s are 60, 12 into 6, that is x equals to 72. Any confusion?
Yes, ma'am. Mine is also 72.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The fractions, when fraction moves to the, if the fraction is in the form of multiplication, if the fraction is more in the form of multiplication, how we deal it with it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Giving a question. Okay, we have done this type of question in the previous class. So let me see how can you handle it now or not. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Sorry, find two consecutive. You have to find both the numbers. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 203. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 203. you have to define your two variables. The hint is given. You have to define two variables, but in terms of one, because we are dealing with linear expressions, so in expressions only one variable will be taken at a time. You have seen the equations which you have done just now. They all were having one variable only. In exercise 8.1 and 8.2, you cannot take two variables at a time, but you have to define the variable. You require two variables. Then how will you define these variables? Because you need two numbers. And how will you define both the numbers when you can use only one variable? Anna, if you want to speak, then only switch on the speaker. Otherwise, switch off the speaker and then work out. Who is going to try? Come on. My class is not so dumb. No.
Ma'am, please wait.
I'm waiting. No problem. Should I read the question, explain the question again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then try it out. We have done this type of question yesterday in previous class, right? I am asked also, ma'am, how to solve this question. Remember?
Ma'am, in 8.1.
Ma'am, I've done it. Ma'am, I've done it. Ma'am, I've done it.
Okay, Akshat, please tell me what will be the first statement.
Ma'am, let the number be x
Okay, first number be x, because two numbers we have to define.
according to the condition x plus bracket.
One minute. Let me. We have to define two numbers. First number is x. What will be the second number? First tell me.
Ma'am, other number will be 2x.
Wrong.
Ma'am, other number will be x plus 1.
Right. Because consecutive, we are talking about consecutive numbers, right?
Ma'am, the equation will be x plus bracket x plus 1 equals to 203.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, no problem. Let me how much you have told me I have written. Have I written it correctly till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, we will move the x to one LHS and the norm.
Okay, before solving the brackets, can we move the x values?
No, ma'am. First we open the bracket.
Ma'am,
Okay. So have I written it correctly?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will move 1 to RHS. It will become -1, and x we will add them. It will become 2x.
ma'am, first we have to write 2x 1 is equals to 203. Then we have to solve it.
Yes, ma'am.
I also told this also. Now first we simplify it and then we do the transposition. If when we do the transposition values most particularly when it can be simplified. Okay? I simplified it and then did the transposition. Then?
Ma'am, then we will move 1 to RHS and we will simplify it. Ma'am,
Right?
Yes, ma'am, right. Ma'am, after simplify, we will divide 2. Ma'am, we will keep x in LHS and take 2 to the RHS and divide 202 by 2.
Am I right with the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to find x plus 1, we will add 101 plus 1.
So the two required numbers are 101 and 102. So I have already told you, I have already given you the homework, right? The first 10 questions are in your course. The first 10 questions are in your course, and with this we end our half yearly syllabus. With this we end our half yearly syllabus.
Ma'am, only 10 questions are in course, exercise of 8.3.
I will say not only 10 questions, I will say 100 of questions, but based on these types of number based questions. Number based समझ में? Number based questions. Number based समझ में? In here we didn't talk about amount, we didn't talk about age, we didn't talk about geometrical diagrams. Did we talk about geometrical diagrams?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Monetary system. Did we talk about the relationship in a personal relationship?
No, ma'am.
Age.
No, ma'am.
Question based on number system. Hundreds of questions. I will not say just 10 questions. I will say hundreds of questions, but based on number system. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you will say
Yes,
10 questions
ma'am.
question based on number system. What you will say? Your syllabus for question based on number system or only 10 questions? What you will say?
Ma'am, questions based on these type
Ma'am,
of
question based on these type.
राइट सो अगर 10 से ज्यादा होता तुम्हारी बुक में तो 10 से ज्यादा करवाए जाते जब तुम्हारी बुक में 10 ही दिया गया तो 10 से ज्यादा हम लोग जा नहीं पाए अंडरस्टूड एनी अदर कंफ्यूजन
Ma'am,
यस
ma'am, the fifth question of this exercise only.
दिस एक्सरसाइज ओनली
Yes, ma'am.
okay let me I will close the book you should have told me first only so that I have opened it out okay page number was wait because should you give me a little time I have closed the book was in my hand
Ma'am, 112. Ma'am, 112.
2/3 of a number is greater than 1/3 of a number. So the number will be x. 1/3x minus 2/3x equals to 2/3 of a number is greater than. Greater than means 2/3x minus 1/3x equals to 3. 2/3x, 2/3 of a number. Greater means minus than which 1/3 1/3 of a number 1/3x is equal to 3. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Any other?
Ma'am, I want to ask one question.
From which exercise?
Ma'am, from 8.3 only, fourth question.
Fourth question I have just now solved for you.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand in this one thing only.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand just one thing in it.
What you cannot understand? Please tell me.
Ma'am, when we will do x equals to 60 into 6 upon 5.
So, सीधी सी बात है, numerator अगर तुम if you will take the fraction to the other side it will be divide.
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
divide 60 divided by 5/6. And what does 60 divided by 5/6 mean? 60 multiplied by 6/5 or not? You have done in fractions.
Yes.
Beta, you have to use all your knowledge of arithmetic in algebra. You have to use all your knowledge of arithmetic in algebra. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any more confusion? How we did it? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Any other confusion?
No, ma'am.
Should I end the class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.